Today we're going to add integers with a game of tug of war. You could imagine any other sport if you want to that's played in teams. All right, so the first one we have -4. So we are going to place 4 players on the negative team or the negative side of the number line. I'm putting 1 on each little tick mark. All right, and so just a reminder, reds are the negatives and yellows are the positives. All right, and then we also have 3 players that are going to be on the positive team. So I'm going to put 3 yellows on the positive side of the number line. Each integer or person is equal in strength, but the negative side has more players, so they are going to win. So it's going to be a negative answer. And each side has at least 3, but the negative side has an extra 1 player. So the answer is going to be -1. All right, let's try another. This one, we start off with +6. So I'm going to put 6 players on the positive team. And then we have 2 players on the negative team. So which team is going to win? This time the positive team has more players. How many more? Well, they shared 2, so they have 4 extras. So the answer is +4. Now remember, if it's a positive answer, you do not need to have a plus in front of it. If it's a negative, though, you would have to have that negative sign. All right, let's do one final problem together. All right, we start with -3. So I'm going to put 3 on the negative side. But it also says we have another 4 negatives. So I have to put more players on that negative side. So I made these a slightly different red and I turned them upside down. So we have our 3 negatives and our 4 negatives. Well, the negative team is definitely going to win because it's the only team that has players. So it's the negative answer. And then if I count all of these up, there are 7. So the negative team has 7 more players compared to the positives.